Really? I have to talk about AI? The idea that people don't recognize that they're AI generated is really scary. I mean, in terms of image making and writing, oh, never, never, absolutely never.
Sue, question of the year. Give us your opinions about AI.
Really? I have to talk about AI?
You don't have to. We can edit
You
this.
know what? It's going to do everything it's going to do. Everyone is, half the people are alarmed, half the people are rejoicing, and I don't want to be anywhere near any of it. And some of it, of course, infiltrates. I have no, it's now controlling like how Con Ed is doing whatever they're, it's like everywhere. But I mean, in terms of image making and writing, oh, never, never, absolutely never, never. And AI will know that there's like three acts, all that like close up and then a wide and then and okay, maybe if you want to have a cookie cutter film, it'll be fine. But most films diverge from those rules because it's necessary, because no, this should be held on longer. Also, all these AI images now, they're so hideous. And the idea that people don't recognize that they're AI generated is really scary, super scary.